Nuclear is a dangerous and therefore heavily regulated field. Although there are a lot of industrial standards, there isn't existing standards in regards to telerobotics. Within the Standardisation Working Group, we are looking into the existing standards and trying to bridge it to the telerobotics and particular nuclear applications.
In RainHub, we have a wide range of robots which can be developed based on their applications, such as ground, air, and water. And they can also be specialized based on their intended tasks, such as inspection, maintenance, and repair. And my work does a lot of spatial computing and the use of immersive technologies, such as virtual reality. And this adds a whole layer of visualization that translates to better planning.
Given the specific challenges that we have in nuclear telerobotics, we are looking into what our end users require. So what we are trying to build is to develop an understanding of what the community and end users might require for any particular application.
There's a need for us to standardize the way we test our robots before we deploy them into the field. And one way to do that is through simulations. Digital twin is a virtual representation of a physical robot. So let's say you have a ground robot with an arm that can perform remote handling of materials. So we can use a digital twin to test and simulate the way its hardware and software interact with with its environment. Using digital twins and putting them into simulation environments is a more cost-effective tool. Not only would it increase our chances for the success of the mission, but it will also save us valuable time and resources.
Within the working group, we have looked into the existing standards, like I mentioned, and try to improve a control system software standard and try to bridge that gap within the existing IEC standards. We have identified 3 different IEC standards that we're hoping to bridge, and that is again in line with cybersecurity and nuclear power plant and control. Over the period of time, we have looked into HMI standards and guidelines that would allow accessibility or ease of use that would help guiding our operators. I think it's just creating this architecture for the future of nuclear robotics, and it's not a software architecture necessarily, it's the systems architecture that we're trying to put in place. And RAIN is a good community to build up this network and collaborate.